Fake glass, fake cut. You will need silicone, alcohol paints, alcohol, fake blood, and fake glass. Jelly glass? What's this black magic? Don't use real glass. Because you'll hurt yourself. This stuff looks real, it breaks up in a realistic way and even shatters. Genius! So, the first step in your journey to your fake glass, fake cut is to draw out your fake cut. Take your 2-part silicone. But there's 3 parts there, Charlotte, I hear you say. Well, that's because 1 part is a softener. So mix equal parts of A and B and a little dab of the softener. Ensure you clean your spatula between each of the parts because A activates B and it often goes solid. And now create your cuts. Just slap that silicone on in a random fashion and you'll be smoothing and shaping it later. Take some alcohol and smooth. Once you're happy with your blending, you want to create your cuts. So satisfying. Look at that. Do you like my use of sound effects today? Comment down below and let me know. And then dab over with a sponge just to create some skin-like texture. Then using a dab of skin adhesive, stick your glass into your cuts. Time to paint. Take a very fine wash of alcohol paints and paint over the entire area of silicone to blend it to your skin. Use plenty of alcohol so you get a really, really thin wash. If you don't have alcohol paints, like I always say, just use what you have to hand, whether that's water-based face paints or even a dab of red lipstick. Then it's time to paint inside your cuts using a bright red and then a deeper red tone to add some depth. To do the inside of the cuts, I'm using less alcohol so I get a more concentrated colour. Obviously, if you're using water paint, you just use less water, get a more concentrated colour of your water-based paint. Please excuse the slightly crackly audio. Strange things are afoot with my microphone. Might need a new one. And now on to the final stage. Blood. Now you just add your fake blood. Now, believe it or not, there is a knack. Oh, my glass came out, so I had to stick it back in. Anyway, moving on. There is actually a knack to creating realistic blood effect. You don't just slap it on. You don't want to hide all your nice work. So just put on a little bit. Less is more when it comes to fake blood. And if you look at pictures of real wounds, you'll see that often there isn't tons and tons of blood. So don't be tempted to do that because it will just cover all your good work. And dab off the excess because if it were a real wound, some of it would have been dabbed off probably by the paramedics if you'd done something like this. Anyway, it's done. And there you go, complete with blooded baby wipe in the background for added effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give me a massive thumbs up. It really helps me out in the YouTube algorithm. Comment down below, let me know what you thought. I will link all the products I used down below, including the glass. And thank you for watching, Butte. Love you all. See you next time.